Hi, this is Cheryl with the Impact Mailing Club. I'm coming to you from a little island in Alaska. So I've got all this beauty behind me, the mountain and the trees and the channel below. You can see the water through the trees down below, and I really enjoy and I'm very thankful to have this out my back deck. It is so nice, especially during these times. And I love the outdoors anyway. So I really enjoy taking photos of beautiful birds that come by here on my back deck. So it's lovely. I hope you're having a good day. Hope you're safe and healthy. And I want to tell you about the Impact Mailing Club and how it works and what you do and the bonuses we offer. So stay tuned. I wanted to tell you about Rosie, and she is the owner of the Impact Mailing Club. And she came from very humble beginnings because she was struggling to make the bills and a sick husband and kids, and she worked very hard to create an income, and she did. She developed this amazing team, but then the company she was working with crashed. So here she's got this team she's working with, and she was very much wanting to take care of her team, which I really appreciate. So she started the Impact Mailing Club. And that is the owner. They live in Florida. That's where the company is. And I really, really feel that is really such a perk to have an owner that cares that much about her team, that she started a company to help everybody and to keep everybody earning and supporting their families. So that is our leader, which I'm very excited about. So what is direct mail? Here you go. Look at all these. Everybody gets this direct mail in their mailbox. And see, this one here I got tells me to stay at home. A lot of people are at home because they lost their job. I know I live on an island and tourism isn't going to be so good this summer. So a friend of ours lost his job because of it, because they're not going to be doing cruise ships and things like that. People aren't going to be traveling, which is hurting a lot of people. And this is what direct mail is. It goes directly to their home, and they can send an offer or a flyer, and people can get the offer in their actual home in mail. Like I got all these. And here's what we have for a postcard. Pretty snazzy, good, I don't know which. Anyway, this is one of our postcards that you can use to send out. Real simple to put a stamp on it, real simple to get in the home and show people a way they can make money from being home and a system that works. And that's the direct mail of it. The direct mailing is mailing. And how many of us can put a stamp on something, pop it in the mail? Sure we can. So that's what we do. And we have all kinds of options and things you can do to fit you. So just wanted to show you all our direct mail stuff and our pretty little card for our postcard and what you can do. And this is the best offline lead generation system. It is booming. The direct mail is alive and well. I mean, look at the different flyers you saw earlier, all the postcards, different flyers I have there. It is excellent because there's your traffic. And what business doesn't need traffic? No matter what you do, no matter what you're looking for, you have to have traffic. And so we have the best offline lead generation system. We do, and you get regular traffic, which is key. Regular traffic is everything for success. And another thing that's really important is our addresses that you send your postcards to are verified through the United States Postal System database. So they're real address that are guaranteed to be delivered. There will be a few nixies, non-delivers, just because people don't change their address, but they are verified, and that is important for your campaigns and for your postcards to deliver. That's, you want that to happen. And also, this is postcard money. You get mailbox money in your mail because it goes directly to you. When somebody decides to join, they fill out that form and the money is sent to you. Nobody else gets it but you. So that is really powerful and incredible as well, that you get it directly. Nobody else touches it, be honest. And also, there's another really cool aspect of what we do, is it's a 2-tier payment. So what happens is you know, you build this team and you actually get a cut of everything they make, and it's already sorted out and it takes care of itself. You don't have to worry about it. It's a thing. It's just like an insurance agent guy that has an office full of his team. He gets a cut of everything they make. So it's kind of like that. It's good for you, and it's really good for your team, because not just your efforts bring your money in, but your efforts in your team, and that same goes for your team. So it's really a good way to help people have a really good financial plan for their success. So the lead generation offline is excellent and something that is booming, and people are looking. So it's what we do. And next I'm going to tell you about how you can join us. Okay, let's talk about how you get involved, how you join us in the Impact Mailing Club. And it's really simple how you can do that. And we have this order form that you use to sign up. We have 5 levels, so it's good for anybody. You know, you pick what works for your finances, and you can get started. The first level is your emerald, ruby, sapphire, diamond, and then a double diamond. And your emerald level is $100 and 2 books of stamps. And who doesn't want to receive stamps when you do mailing? So it's an extra perk with what we have going on. The second level is your ruby level with $250 and 4 books of stamps. Sapphire is $500 and 4 books of stamps. And then you have your diamond, which is $2,000, and your double diamond is $4,000. So there is a spot for everybody in this plan, and that is good. Nobody's left behind. And you join. Sapphire is really a popular level because it's not really high, it's not too low, but then again, whatever level works for you, that's what we want. What's best for you? And you use this order form. You get back to the person that sent you to this video, tell them you're ready to get started, and they'll send you the order form, and you can get going and get in and get started on a very simple way to earn on your own terms, to be able to just put a stamp on your postcards and drop them in the mail. I mean, your kids could do it. You know, it's so simple, and you know, right now where people are out of jobs, or people are all kinds of reasons, people need to be able to work from home. You can help them with that, and that just feels so good, and it is wonderful. So I appreciate you watching the video to get more information, and hope you're having a great day. And bye from Alaska. Get back to the person that sent you here.